Alright, what's up everybody? So as you can see, here are our 5 contest winners. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I will put their Instagrams in the link below if you guys decide you want to go follow them or whatever. I don't know what they do on their personal Instagrams. But anyways, in the middle, we have, I do believe that's Srydex 101. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. It's kind of hard to pronounce. That's Srydex's Bowler in the middle there. And then we have Jared Hunt up on the left top. We have inbred underscore 2500. And it's also Jared.Hunt, my bad. It's inbred underscore 2500 over on the top right with that cool looking muddy Bowler over there, the redneck machine right there. And then down on the bottom right, we have Oliver Zachary Thomas with his nice little Bowler with an almost identical rear tire. And then with the American flag wrap, we have Cy Bartholomew. Yes, I did say Mew. And as I have announced their names, that goes from, first place to 5th place in the order I announced them. So anyways, guys, let's get into some off-road Outlaws action here. We're going to take my Jeep out, and we're going to just go explore the desert a little bit. Not going to do too much in this video, just a little bit. There we go. Oop. Yeah, we're going to take the Jeep out here into the desert, go grab some boxes, make some money, and go see what all we can climb in this thing. And if you guys hear any weird noises in the background, it's because I'm eating some Doritos. And no, this is not sponsored. I just love Doritos. I'm gonna wipe off it. Otherwise, that nacho dust will fuck up my acceleration. Alright, where to start is that right here? Okay, let's go check over here for some boxes. See, ooh, you know what? I forgot to turn the volume back on for you guys. I kind of forgot about that. Woo! Jeep likes to drift in rear-wheel drive. And I'm not very good at drifting on here. Not by a long shot. Yeah, I really want to go check the score for the game. Because as we all know, it's Super Bowl Sunday. Go Eagles. I'm not even an Eagles fan. I just despise the Patriots. And you guys can say what you want in the comments. I really don't give a fuck. Fuck Patriots. Fuck Tom Brady. But anyways, yeah, I really want to check the score, see what the score's at now. I know the last time I checked it before halftime, the Eagles were winning. There's no boxes. Whoa, bouncing around here. See if there's one of the big boxes over here. Usually when there's none that spawn, ooh, I might get a big box in my path. Alright, I'm going to go to the outside view for a second here. Kind of bouncing around a little bit. Nothing. There's one box over here, but it's not a big one. Alright, I'm going to go turn the sound on for you guys, and then we'll have some more boxes. In the meantime, more Doritos. And in case you're wondering, these are the Doritos Blaze. Just so you guys know. I don't think they're spicy at all. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, let's go back to the desert. Oop, check my volume. Don't want that to be too loud for you guys. And there should be good. I don't quite remember. It's either here or down one that's perfect. Woo! Do a little drift, and I see a big box over there. Aw, little kitties, meow meow. Oh, I missed the box. Click, click, click. There we go. Vroom. It's right there. Donut. Almost a full donut. Yep, no box right there. Okay, let's hit this jump. Yeehaw! I got a nice soft landing there. Yeehaw! No box there, no big box, but there's a little one over here. The only thing spicy foods ever do to me is clear my sinuses. Which is always great. Give me box. Yeehaw! You know, rear-wheel drive is actually really great in this game. Except for when you try to actually do any type of actual, rock crawling or anything, and then of course you gotta put it in four-wheel drive. But as far as like driving around and everything, it works pretty good. And I don't want to bag on Gigabit or anything, because I love Gigabit. Don't get me wrong, it's a great game. Obviously, some things they don't have, Offroad Outlaws has, and some things Offroad Outlaws, or some things Gigabit has that Offroad Outlaws doesn't have. But, irregardless, excuse me. But I'm not one of those people that bags on either game. But I do feel like rear-wheel drive works a lot better on here than it did in Gigabit. Really? Oh. That would help. Ooh. Give me free camera. Woo. Oh god. Oh, it slid all the way over. Alright, let's take the Jeep trail up. Oh, wait, wrong rock. What's this one? It's the Jeep trail, guys. Ooh, I'm meant to be down a little further this way. Ooh, hold on. There we go. Ah! Oh, man. I really need to work on my rock crawling abilities in my Jeep. Because with the short wheelbase, it makes it great, but there's some things that you just gotta hit a little differently than you would in any other car. Come on, you. Okay, whatever. Man, okay. Slide over this way. Oh. There. This is the Jeep trail, guys. This is how you get up in your Jeep. Alright. Now, because I know I can't just straight climb that rock right there. Except for on this side. Oh god, my bumper hit. Oh. A little further over. Try not to fall all the way down the rock. Oh, it happened anyways. Alright, there we go. Come on. There we go, Jeep. just gotta hit it. Just gotta know how to drive it. In this, plain Jane Jeep. There we go. Bounced up there. Rim on back tire. Come on, grab and stock tire. Oh man, the stock tire doesn't want to grab. Oh, come on. Bad stock tire. Woo. Almost went way too far back. Oh god! Oh no, don't flip, don't flip. Oh my god, no, no, oh, oh. He saved it. Cheap problems. Oh, come on. I really should put better tires on here, but I'm waiting to choose my tires for my Jeep until the big update, which, in case you guys are wondering, before you guys go to my comments section and ask me when the update is, I do not know an exact date. I know as much as anybody else who is in the group page, or the group knows. Okay, it's gonna be sometime next week. So don't badger me with questions. When's the update? When's the update? When's the update? Do not badger me with those questions. I really hate those questions as much as the developers hate getting asked those questions. When it is released, they will let us know. And of course, as you guys should already know, as soon as the update is released, I will have a video showing all the cool, nice little new features. Now, with this new update, I might have to make it into a couple videos. I'll probably do a specifically made CUDA build video, as well as, you know, other videos on other things. But in my main video, I will show, I'll glimpse over, you know, the pretty much all of them. Come on, Jeep. Oh my god. Come on, back tires. That's all you have to do, back tire. It's just grab. Come on. Come on. He freaking broke my drivetrain. Oh. My rear drivetrain's just destroyed. Look at it. Look at it. The rear drivetrain's just destroyed. Oh well. Forget it. I'm spending too much time trying to get up one rock. Oh well. I've made it up that before in this little Jeep. Just not videoed. But oh well. Whatever. We'll go hit up some more stuff. Oh god, we killed the Jeep already, guys. We killed it. The Jeep is dead. No wonder it wasn't going up the freaking rock. Ooh, we got a lockbox. Ooh. Go, truck, go. No, Jeep, no! Problem with destroying your vehicle. Alright, nope, it's over here. Shit, hide there. Go, go, go! Go, little Jeep, go! We gotta find the box. Hope it's not all the way up a big-ass hill, and it probably is. We're not gonna make it to this one, guys. I really don't have hopes of making it. Oh man, it's just too far away. Which happens, you know, it's... Oh my god, there it is! Click it, click it, click it, click it! Oh, I couldn't click it. I couldn't click it. Oh my god, fat fingers. I was like clicking all around it, not on the box. Oh well. It happens, guys. It happens. We'll get the next one. Yeehaw! Alright, let's go, and I'll do another little climbing sesh. You know what? Let's go to the Woodlands. I want to try something. In my Jeep. Let's see how well this works. Ram. I think we can get enough speed. No box? Okay. Yeehaw! Oh, shit! Oh, man. We almost... My little Jeep almost made it. Well, I guess it's getting a wash. I don't think I've ever really washed this Jeep either. Oh, God. Oh. But you gotta admit, my Jeep is just fabulous. It's just fucking fabulous. Best damn Jeep built around. Yee yee. Low gear. Let's spit some water and some mud. Let's go. Let's get it dirty before we get up the hill. Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh God. Too much power. It's okay. We'll hit it in reverse. Oh shit. It lost reverse. I lost all power. Oh man. Alright. Let's this time not go flying into that rock over there. Alright. Turn. There we go. Alright, we're good now. Had to get it muddy. I cannot drive my car clean. This is not a show. Look. This is a pavement princess. This is my off-road, rock-crawling Jeeper build. Got that real-life flex. Nobody can beat it. It don't even cut through the fenders. Vroom, vroom. Go, truck, go. Yeehaw! Oh, right. I should not have jumped over the mud. Alright, get it muddy. Yeah, there, buddy. I will leave the water with mud on my truck. Yeah, buddy. Yeehaw. Woohoo! Oh! Alright, let's go the other way. Oh. Go hit up my favorite little rock trail before I end this video. I don't want to make this video too long. Ooh, drifting in low gear. Where was it? Oh shit. Yeah, I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, it's up this way. Throw it in high, man. Yeehaw. Oh shit! Oh! Wait, I think I'm going the right way. Oh man, it's so hard to navigate. I don't have a compass. If I had a compass, I could just be like, bro, we gotta go north. And I just so can't wait for that in-game chat, honestly. I think it's going to be really good, as long as we don't have a bunch of immature little kids or immature-ass grown freaking adults, which we seem to have a lot of them in this game, and on the group page. Hopefully we don't have a bunch of immature people trying to cuss out people through the chat and bully people through the chat. Hopefully we don't have all those issues. Oh, somehow I almost got the Jeep stuck, but we ain't never stuck. I don't accept defeats. I just come back to it later. Jeep for the win. Honestly, oop. Oh, I'm just gonna keep going. It pulled itself up. It ripped off the drive line and just kept on going up it. And I backed up too much. Oh. Yeah, my front bumper's hitting that rock, actually. So, we turn it, we go this way. Ooh. And we bounce up this rock. There we go. I love this little spot. It gets easier and easier. So easy when you don't have to back up and turn around. Excuse me. Vroom, vroom. High gear, man. High gear. Oh, we're almost dead. I really feel like my Jeep is like one of my vehicles that takes the most abuse. I mean, I literally just send this bitch. Like, I just send it through the trails. I give no fucks about the damage to it. Unlike with, like, a lot of my other vehicles where I'm like, ooh, I hit something. This is like, fuck it. It's a Jeep. And I got a roll bar. I'm good to go. Oops. Damn. That time, though. Is that for this? Yeah, that's for this trail. Holy shit. It's a quick-ass time to get across this motherfucker. Especially in a truck. Definitely. Oh, God. I don't know. Oh, I shouldn't have backed up. I should have just kept going. Figure I might as well try to take the Jeep up this. I honestly haven't brought the Jeep to this particular trail, and my secrets to this trail when it comes to my bigger trucks, I don't really like giving away those secrets. I was one of the first people to complete this trail, and I have yet to give out my secret to how I completed it before the torque updates and before the rock crawling. Well, actually, it was with the rock crawling update I set the score. The one where it made the rock crawling physics a little better. But, yeah. Yeah, before the torque update, I was like one of the only people that... One of the only. No, I'm not. I wasn't the only person, but I was one of the only people that actually made it up doing the trail itself. You know, I'm sure there was a lot of people that made it up this... You know what? My Jeep is not going up there for some reason. It's just my tires, honestly, because it is really steep. And the fact that my Jeep's kind of fucked up. So I don't have as much grip or power as I need to climb up that at the moment. Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, shit. I hate getting stuck down here. It's like, fuck. If your truck's just too lifted or something, shit gets hung on it. With my light bar. Oh, my God. Alright, there we go. Come on. Go, go, go. There we go. We're good. Alright. Just because, fuck it, we're going to take this the backwards way, stop in the middle of the bridge, get a good little screenshot there, hopefully some good flex, too, without falling off. And right as I say that, I almost fall off. Jeep power, go, send it, just send it, just send the fucking Jeep. Oh, shit. Maybe you should have not sent it so fast. It almost fell off, man. Oh, okay, we're good. Well, there's a nice little bit of flex up there. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh, stop. There we go. Get me a good screenshot. Right there. Look at that. My tire is just resting on my wheel well right now. Oh, it's sticking through a little bit. Okay. I think it's sticking through. No, wait, that's just... Yeah, it's sticking through a little bit. There we go. We'll just leave it like this. A little less flexed out, but... No, we got another box. Oh, well, I got my screenshot. Alright, I'm gonna... jump it on over here. Ooh, shit, my free camera's fucked up. Oh, well, go. I think I know where this box is. It usually spawns over there, actually. In that same spot. That's one of the main places the timed box spawns up. And it is over there, I do believe. Let's see if I can just grab it from over here. Yep, there it is. There we go. It wasn't really worth much, but honestly, I don't get much from woodlands anymore. Anytime I come to the woodlands, I really don't get much out of the boxes. That's why I go to the desert to go box hunting and stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to end this video here before it gets too long of a video, and I'm not able to put my intro in. Hopefully it's not too long, and I'm able to put my intro in without deleting a bunch of shit. But anyways, ooh, up church! Alright guys, I'll holler at y'all later.